I am Suman Sharma from Government Polytechnic College Khunni Majra. I am maths lecturer. Today's my topic is Cramer's rule. How to solve the linear equations by Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule is applied to solve a system of three simultaneous equations involving three unknown variable. Let three equations in three variable P, Q, R be A1P plus B1Q plus C1R equal to D1, and next equation is A2P B2Q plus C2R equal to D2, and third is A3P plus B3Q plus C3R is equal to D3. Let D be the determinant formed by coefficients of PQR, means D is A1, B1, C1. This is our A1, and A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Let it be second number, where D is called the coefficients of determinants. Take PD, P and D is our A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, and it will be equal to A1P, A2P, A3P, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Now operate C1 is equal to Q C2 plus R C3. Then our PD is equal to A1P plus multiply by second column by Q, B1Q, B1Q, and third column is multiplied by R and C1R. Similarly, A2P plus B2Q plus C2R, and third is A3P B3Q plus C3R, and remaining column will be same. Let it will be equal to D, D1, D2, D3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. And now P is equal to D1, D2, D3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3, and it will be divided by D. This is our PD. P is equal to divided by D, and let it will be equal to D1. Then what will be P? Then P is equal to D1 divided by D, where D1 is D1, D2, D3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. This is our D. Now next, therefore D1 can be obtained from D by replacing the first column coefficient of P's by the column formed by the constants D's on the right hand side of equation 1. Similarly, QD is equal to Q A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3 is equal to A1, A2, A3, B1Q, B2Q, C2Q, and C1, C2, C3. Now operate. C2 is equal to C2 P plus C1 plus R into C3. Now QD is first column remains as it is, and second column is A1P plus B1Q plus C1R, and similarly A2P B2Q plus C2R, and third is A3P B3Q plus C3R, and third column remains as it is C1, C2, C3, and it will be equal to A1, A2, A3, D1, D2, D3, C1, C2, C3. Similarly, this is our QD. Q is equal to A1, A2, A3, D1, D2, D3, C1, C2, C3, and it is divided by D. Let QD, and this is divided by D. Let us take it as a D2. A1, A2, A3, D1, D2, D3, C1, C2, C3, and so our QD is equal to D2 divided by D. So, D2 can be got from D by replacing the coefficients of Q's by the corresponding constants D's on the right hand side of equation 1. Similarly, R is equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, D1, D2, D3, and it is divided by D, and take it is equal to D3. So, we get P is equal to D1 upon D, Q is equal to dt upon D, and R is equal to D3 upon D, where D, D1, D2, D3 are determinants. As such, this method of solving linear simultaneous equation by determinant is known as Cramer's rule. Corollary number 1, the equation 1 possesses a unique solution when d not equal to 0. Corollary 2, the equation 1 possesses an infinite numbers of solution if d1 equal to d2 equal to d3 equal to d equal to 0. Corollary third, the equation 1 do not possesses a solution if d equal to 0 and any one d1 d2 d3 is not 0. Linear simultaneous three equations in three unknown variables are necessary and sufficient condition for finding the values of three unknown variables, but if four equation in three variables are given and values of three unknown variables form any three equation out of the four satisfy the fourth equation, then the four equation are said to be consistent or compatible. Now, condition for consistency is let A1P B1Q plus C1R equal to D1. Let four equations. Second is A2P B2Q C2R equal to D2, and third is A3P B3Q C3R equal to D3, and four is A4P B4Q plus C4R is equal to D4. Solving second, third and four for PQR by Cramer's rule, we get P is equal to D2 P is equal to D2 D3 D4 B2 B3 B4 C2 C3 C4 divided by A2 A3 A4 B2 B3 B4 C2 C3 C4, where D is equal to A2 B2 C2 A3 B3 C3 A4 B4 C4, and similarly Q is equal to A2 D2 C2 A3 D3 C3 A4 D4 C4 divided by D, and R is equal to A2 B2 D2 A3 B3 D3 A4 B4 C4. Now putting the values of P, Q, R in one and multiplying by D throughout, we get A1 equal to D2 D3 D4 B2 B3 B4 C2 C3 C4 plus A2 A3 A4 D2 D3 D4 C2 C3 C4 plus C1 A2 A3 A4 B2 B3 B4 D2 D3 D4 and minus D1D equal to 0, or we can write A1 B2 B3 B4 C2 C3 C4 D2 D3 D4 minus B1 A2 A3 A4 C2 C3 C4 D2 D3 plus C1 A2 A3 A4 B2 B3 B4 D2 D3 D4 minus D1 means D is our A2 A3 A4 B2 B3 B4 C2 C3 C4 equal to 0. Hence, A1 A2 A3 A4 B1 B2 B3 B4 C4 D1 D2 D3 D4 is equal to 0 is the required condition. The system 1 is consistent when D not equal to 0 or when D equal to D1 equal to 0. When D equal to 0 but none of D1, D2, D3 is 0, the system does not possesses a solution, and is therefore inconsistent. Means if when D equal to 0 but none of D1, D2, D3 is 0, then the system is inconsistent. Now some questions. Solve the equation by Cramer's rule. And equations are 7x minus 12y plus 5z plus 18 equal to 0 and 3x plus 8y minus 2z minus 40 equal to 0, 10x minus 7y plus 4z minus 11 equal to 0. Solution. First of all, we take these constant on the right hand side is equal to minus 18, 3x plus 8y minus 2z equal to 40, 10x minus 7y plus 4z equal to 11. Here our D is 7, 3, 10, minus 12, 8, minus 7, 5, minus 2 and 4, and we will solve it We know that this is plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Now how to solve a determinant? Cofactor of 7 is 8 4s are 32 minus 7 2s are